Espuma simply means foam. The idea is to transform a classic preparation into something lighter, more delicate while keeping the original flavor. I am using the benchy variety of potato in this video. I find it the best for making espuma. The potatoes are cooked in salted water until they are completely tender. It is important that they are fully cooked so the texture becomes smooth and creamy. Welcome everyone once again to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type. Thank you. I peeled, washed and cut the potatoes in pieces. This helps it cook quickly, but you can cook your potatoes in whole if you have a lot of time. Once the potatoes are ready, they are drained and passed through a very fine sieve. This step is essential. Passing the potatoes through a fine sieve remove any small lumps or fibers and create a perfectly smooth texture. For espuma, smoothness is extremely important because the mixture must pass easily through the pressure bottle. Now I enrich the puree. Warm milk and heavy cream are added gradually while mixing. The milk helps loosen the puree while the cream adds richness and a beautiful round flavor. The goal is to create a smooth, flowing texture lighter than traditional mashed potatoes. I strain one more time and season with salt and pepper. Lecithin is blended well into the mixture. Lecithin acts as a stabilizer and helps the mixture hold the foam structure once it is dispensed. It allows the espuma to remain light and stable when served. Once the base is ready, it is poured into a pressure bottle and charged with a gas which introduces air into the preparation. When the espuma is dispensed, the gas expands and transforms the potato mixture into a light airy foam. This can be served with fish, meat or refined vegetable plates. A simple potato transformed into something elegant. Check out the next video on the screen for more delicious recipes like this one.